that, let's get a check of your first alert weather and head outside because it was nice to be outside and it's warming up, but what? There's a catch.
There's a catch to all of this.
There's always a catch.
Always a catch here in Boston, especially around this time of the year. We need the warm weather. We're going to get some of it, but it will depend on where you live. All right. So let's talk about that. It's going to be warming up. You'll notice the temperatures here mainly for Boston over the next few days in the lower 70s. In fact, we're going to have a big surge of warm weather for most of our inland neighborhoods. Highs near 80 degrees away from the coast, not out of the question. But the sea breeze will likely keep coastal areas cooler with an onshore flow. That's going to be all because of the winds. Right now, the winds are coming in from the southwest, and that's why it's fairly mild and, in fact, warm for most of our area. That southwest wind is doing the body some good, right? Well, here's the deal. As we look ahead, we have gusty winds that will continue through the next few hours. Then they'll go down to about 16 miles an hour there, heading toward 5 o'clock in the morning. But you'll notice the winds here as we go through the day tomorrow. For many areas inland, we'll have southwest winds, again, warming us up. But along the coast, we'll have more of an east wind. That onshore flow will keep things, kind of keeping things simmer down just a little bit with some of those temperatures and a bit cooler on the immediate coast. Look into Wednesday. Southwest winds for some of our inland areas, easterly winds toward the coast there. So that's why our temperatures will really be all dependent on where you are because of the winds. Right now, we're at 68 degrees in Chelsea, 69 in Malden, but 71 in Newton, about 71 degrees in Needham and Waltham. We've seen some peaks of sunshine for some areas Metro West. You'll see 69 degrees in Woburn, 69 in Lowell, 72 in Marlborough, 72 in Shrewsbury right now, 69 degrees in Dover, 63 in Brockton. How about temperatures in the 70s for Fitchburg, Bedford as well, close to it in Nashua, but we're at 59 degrees in Plymouth and the 50s for the Cape and the islands. So next few days here, we're going to be tracking the temperatures very closely. Next few hours, we're going to see the clouds move away from us. Can't rule out a stray shower, mostly clear skies overnight. Then you'll notice the sunshine tomorrow, and then eventually later in the day, the clouds will start picking back up. But again, these are Boston temperatures likely in the lower 70s. Away from the water, check out temperatures as we go through the next few days. They're going to be warming up a bit more, maybe some 80s here and there. Wednesday might be a strange day. We're going to be watching these very closely with these temperatures and, of course, with the winds. But I'm thinking things will start warming up a little bit more as we head toward Thursday. These are parts of the area we could be maybe close to 80 degrees. So it's going to be all over the place. Let me show you just a difference with some of the temperatures that we're tracking. Along the coast here, because of the sea breeze keeping things cooler, you'll notice towards 70 into Thursday, but inland 73. All right. Check out Wednesday, 72, 81 inland. All right. We head towards Friday, 73 along the coast, 76 Friday. So you'll understand here for the inland areas, it's going to be warmer for the next several days, except into the weekend where we all start to cool down a bit. We've got a stationary front to our north. It's going to keep things a bit unsettled for the next couple of days. Not only will we have the warmth, but also the chance of seeing some showers and storms. Watching out for this front, creating some severe thunderstorms in parts of the upper Midwest. That's where the bullseye for severe weather will be for today. But as we go through the day tomorrow, there's a potential that parts of our state could actually have some stronger thunderstorms. We're keeping an eye on it. You'll notice as we go through tomorrow, I want to show you this with First Alert Futurecast very quickly here. Look at the clock at the top of the screen. We head through tonight, mostly clear skies. We'll have some sunshine tomorrow, but this is what we got to keep an eye on. That's toward 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Look at this line here as it makes its way toward Western Mass all the way down. If this verifies, we could have severe weather here. All right. And we could have some heavy rain and gusty winds. So we need to watch out for that one. And this is going to be the story for the next couple of days. These showers and storms kind of rolling in and out. So on and off rain and storms along with some of the warmth. So there's the First Alert 10-day forecast. Keep the umbrella handy. Keep your water bottle handy. And just everything you're going to need really to stay dry, but also stay hydrated. Look at the cool down for the Boston Marathon. That's some nice weather, 55 degrees.
It's a busy 10-day there.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Dominus, thank you. We'll see you again in just a few minutes.